Good day, I am the English doctor. Today, we will discuss the idiom, to be toast.
Woohoo!
Let's watch.
Hey David, it's almost 6 o'clock. Do you want to go have a beer at the pub?
Sounds great, mate. But I can't. I have to work late.
Come on! Cold beer, good friends, no more work.
If I don't get this report finished today, I'm toast.
Toast? Why are you talking about toast? You must be hungry.
No, David is not feeling hungry. If someone says I'm toast, it means they are, or will soon be, in a lot of trouble. Or will be completely ruined, or defeated. Don't worry, it is very easy to use. Let's watch it again.
Hey David, it's your birthday. Let's go to the pub.
Sounds great, mate. But if I don't finish this report, I'm toast.
Come on! Cold beer, good friends, no more work.
David, where is that report? I'm waiting.
Oh, the boss looks stressed. Good luck.
Now, let's enjoy another scenario. Using the term, to be toast.
Oh man, when is the bus coming? If I don't get home before 11, I'm toast.
Really? What's the big deal?
My dad said if I am late again, I can't play baseball anymore.
But it's the playoffs. You have to play.
All right, there's the bus. See you at practice.
Thank you for watching. Please do subscribe to our YouTube channel for new videos.